Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the TypeScript. So today we are going to learn about when do decorators execute. What is the process of the execution of the decorators, right? So we are going to learn in this video. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. In TypeScript and the JavaScript, decorators execute when the decorated identity is identified or defined, typically during the class or the property declaration phase. The exact execution timing depends on the type of the decorator and where it is applied. Here is an overview. First, we have a class decorators, method, property, parameter. So it's an overview. Class decorators executed when the class they are applied to is defined. This occurs during the class declaration phase. They run once for the each class declaration, and their execution order is from the top to bottom. Method declaration decorators. So method decorators execute when method they are applied to is defined within the class. So this also occurs during the class declaration phase. Next, we have a property decorators. Property decorators execute when the property they are applied to it's declared within the class. Again, this happens during the class declaration phase. The parameter decorators. So parameter decorators executed when the method or the constructor they are applied to is defined. They still the part of the class declaration phase. Okay. So here you can see that function, class decorator, target and the function. So class decorator executed, method declaration, property and the parameter decorator. Okay. So in the respect of the target and the property key we have sent over here, right? So here you can see, let's copy this and all and run step by step. So you will get to know about the how the execution flow. Okay. So yeah, this is just copy this one and add it over here and try to execute this one. Leave now. Just I'm going to copy paste this one. Okay. Let's see the execution process. Okay. So here we have the execution process of all of the things. So how we are going. So first we have defined the class decorator over here at the top. Okay. So here we go with the first one is the property decorator executed from the property. So what would happen here when we come to the class? First we have the class decorator. You can see that. So let's take what the blocks they have written and what executed first. So you can see first part. So here we have mentioned one thing, that is the bottom to top approach. So here their class decorators executed from the top to bottom of the class definition, right? So first we have a class definition. So if you go to the class definition part, okay, so we have first the property decorator. So in the class definition, whatever it is first it executed, that is the property decorator first. Okay, then we have the property, then we have a method decorator. So this is method. Okay, then we have the parameter decorator. So in the constructor we have declared the parameter, so this is executed. Then comes to the class decorator. Okay, so this is example constructor. Okay, so this is parameter decorator executed with this one, and class decorator executed. After that we have a class executed. So here we go with the class where it is. So here we have a class decorator at the last. Okay, and we have an example constructor. So where it is at the last we have the example constructor. So this is that one. Okay, so this is example constructor. This is because the parameter decorator. So parameter decorator, then we have a class decorator executed, then example constructor, this part. Okay, so constructor call at the first, right? So whatever the constructor we have, it will call over here. Okay, so this is the flow that is executed, and you can see that you in the TypeScript part how the execution flow is. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.